Hi, we're Closomat, the UK's only specialist manufacturer of wash and dry toilets. Every day, tens of thousands of people with a range of disabilities and medical conditions rely on us. It's what drives us in continuing to provide the highest quality products and the best customer care. We work closely with medical and clinical professionals to ensure our products offer the best possible combination of hygiene, dignity, and independence. We invented wash and dry toilets and have built up an unrivaled knowledge of meeting the needs of people with a range of disabilities and medical conditions. Many healthcare and clinical professionals specify our products every day, and tens of thousands of people have chosen us to help them with their intimate toileting needs. We manufacture our products in the northwest of England and have done so for over 60 years. Our products can be modified to suit individual needs, no matter how complex. Thanks to a combination of advanced engineering and high-quality materials, many of our products have been in service for over 40 years. We use our own engineers to carry out maintenance and repairs to ensure an expert is on hand right when you need it. If things change, our products can be easily adapted so that they continue to meet the needs of our customers. We offer a range of service options and annual maintenance plans to give the added peace of mind that they will provide many years of service. Together, it's why more people choose Closomat than any other wash and dry toilet.